So if you recall that when we're looking at the dollar yen, the dollar euro, we saw that the euro is very strong versus the dollar. And we also, when we looked at the yen index, here, this is the yen index. It is very strong, but we are very close to a sell signal. We have about 40 pips, actually 16 pips or so, from 115.56 to 115.42 before we have a sell signal. So we have a 20 pip move in the yen index before we have a sell-off in it. And if we look at the euro, this is the strongest pair that we have. It has a buy signal, it has a normal close, everything is looking very positive for it, and we had to do some work to identify a sell signal. And only on Friday, on the daily, on the euro, we had a minor decline, which is by no means a sell signal. It is nothing more than a pause. So this means we are looking for a continuation into the yen. The euro is much more stronger in this case than the yen is, and this is the daily in the yen. So this means I should be looking, both of them are, based on what we see, are strong. So now we're going to look at the euro yen and decide if we have, because both of them are strong, if we have a buy or a sell signal in either, and how we're going to play the euro yen. Let me put a clean chart for you. These are some of our trades in the euro yen. Now, as you see here, if just looking at this chart, this is definitely, the euro is in a major downtrend. That's the daily. And if I put the weekly chart, this is a major downtrend, but this is the 112.07. This is a powerful buy signal. If the euro yen closes above the 112.08, we have a major buy signal in the euro yen. So this is a structure point, and we closed the week at let's say 112, so we're 8 pips from a major buy signal, a structure point, and a long point. So that is a beautiful setup for us. And let me put it here on the so we have it, the 112.08. This is, as I said, it's a structural point, and it's a magnificent point for us. So it's going to be our long point, and our exactly from last week was the 07.08. That's fantastic. Exactly, Andy. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. So this is going to remain the same. Our buy signal from last week is the 112.07. Again, 07.08 is just the difference in the tick data, but it doesn't matter. And our structure long is the 112. And this means, guys, if it gets above the 112, you want to buy the euro yen and hold on it with your teeth. Okay, and our short point In this case, once it goes above it, Amran, you need to start buying. Okay, and so this is here, this is the 112 right there that it is. You see, this is what has been identified. So right there, you want to be start buying it over here. And again, you will get a lot of volatility. This is part of the stuff that we teach you how to identify that volatility in the course. It's beyond the scope of these 2 hours because people need to go. So again, you can be patient. If you buy it at 112.20 and you leave 18 pips on at the table, it's not a big deal, Amran. So and look here, look at this move, look at this move. So coming back over here, you should have that kind of continuation to the upside. So again, all what you need to know from me at this point, above the 112.07, either you buy or you sit and be slightly patient, but you do not want to be a short seller. Okay. Your selling point is going to be below the 111.50. So your selling point is below the 110.60. And if you go short below the 110.60, your stop is below 111.60. And you can place your stop above 111.82, your short stop. Your long stop, if you buy it above 112, I'll just, because this is a structure point, I'm going to leave it one and the same. The structure short point, in this case, this is the structure short, is the all-time low, is the 107.30. Okay, so this is the euro yen. We're going to go long above the 112.07, and it is also our structural point, the 112.07. And if we buy, we're going to place our stop below that. So when I put the same number there, this means I'm giving you the significance of the number. So you just make it 10-15 pips below it. You just want to be a little bit patient. And if it gets above it, this is a major buy signal, as I said. Your structure, if it gets below the 111.60, you want to go short the euro yen, and you're going to place your stop above the 111.80, so that you're giving it a very tight stop of 20 pips. Your structure short is the all-time low of 107.30. All right, that is the euro